Alright, so now I will be showing you how to do the fourth step of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now, before you watch this video, make sure you know how to do this step, or at least get up to this point. You have the white complete, and the two rows adjacent to the white side are completed as well. Now, in this step, what you want to do is visualize a clock. See, this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, and this is 9. What you want to do is have, you're either going to have a small L or a yellow straight line. If you end up with a small yellow L, which in my case I have a small yellow L, then you place it so it's facing like this. If you find that when you look at the top, the yellow side, and you see it like this, turn it around so it'll face like this. Now, once you do that, you do a very simple algorithm. Now, an algorithm is looking at every side of the cube with a letter. So let's say this is up. I would say U. This is your left. So I would say L. Right, front, down, back. So, and when you're about to do the first 3 letters of this algorithm, you go clockwise. And when you're going to do the last 3 letters, you go counterclockwise. So let's do this. Put it in this position and then face the front. This is the front. So you go clockwise. F. The yellow side is up here. The little yellow is facing up. Let's do that again. F, and then clockwise U, then clockwise R. That's fur. Now, the last 3 letters are counterclockwise. U counterclockwise, R counterclockwise, F counterclockwise. Now, avoiding these 2 corners, you will see a yellow cross. Now, let's say we had this. Don't worry about it, it's not an H. I'm not gonna start talking about a yellow H right now. It's a yellow horizontal line. Ignore the corners. Yellow horizontal line. If you see it, if you're looking at it like this, don't do that. Turn it around so you look at it like this. What we're going to do to this is the same deal except with different letters. So what you want to do is face it like this. It can either be like this or like this. It doesn't matter how you put it, it just has to be horizontal. So first you want to do BLU. B is this one because your front is this one. If you're looking at it like this, then this would be B. But we're looking at it like this. So this is your front and this is your back. Right back here. So this is clockwise for back. L clockwise. No. This is L, my bad. Clockwise. U clockwise. And now we're going to go back. LUB, counterclockwise. So you go L counterclockwise. U counterclockwise. And B counterclockwise. So now what you have is the same yellow cross with the same two yellow corners in the same place. But that's the yellow cross. So I will explain the fifth step in another video.